Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Maylita Biocasi, 29 years old, and I'm married, blessed with 2 children. I am undergraduate from Bachelor of Science in Computer. About my working experience in Riyadh, for 2 years, I served 1 couple and 5 children, ages 28, 26, 25, 17, and the youngest is 14.
Okay, hello Miss Mylene. How are you today?
I am fine.
Okay, so may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties in my previous employer are cleaning the house, washing clothes, and ironing clothes.
Okay. Do you have day off from your previous employer?
I have no day off from my previous employer.
So why do you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I choose to work in Hong Kong because it's offer a high salary and an Asian country nearby my country in the Philippines.
Okay. So are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I am willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
Okay. So on your holiday, what will you do before you go to your employer's house?
On my holiday, before I will go out, I will make sure that I will prepare first a breakfast to my employer, and I will clean the house, and after that, I will ask permission to my employer to go out.
Okay. So what if the mother of your employer cannot speak English? How will you communicate with them?
If the mother of my employer cannot speak English, I can communicate with them by body language and sign language.
Okay. So how will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
I will maintain the safe environment for the children. I will make sure that the surrounding is clean, free from hazardous and harmful objects.
Okay. So can you manage to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, I can manage to take good care of the newborn baby by my experience. I am a mother of 2 children and the one who takes good care of them, and I have a younger sister and a brother, and I'm the one who takes good care of them.
Okay. So how will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
I will arrange my duties if I and the baby left in the house by I will make sure first that I will take good care of the baby. First, I will make sure that she will finish shower and eating until she sleeps. While she sleeps, I will clean the house. At time to time, I will check the babies.
Okay. So do you have any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me, Mom, Sir, and I promise that I will serve all my best, and I will take good care of your family as my family. I promise that you will not regret me to hiring me. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, kindly show us your best smile.